What's up, guys? Welcome to the Sweet Outdoors. Yes, I do know it's the back porch edition. Quite aware of it. Forgive, please. Anyway, today we're going to do the DIY MRE challenge that I issued yesterday. The chicken wrap challenge for under $10. Okay, disclaimer. The stuff that I bought was more than $10. But I can't buy individual cookie packets or granola bar packets, stuff like that. The drink mixes, I got to buy them in a box. But they average about $2 a piece. And at the end of the video, I'll show you the pictures that I took in the store of what these items actually cost. But then when you break it down, like this here, on clearance, $2, 4 bars. That's 50 cents a piece, guys. So when you do it that way, each of these MREs will be under $10. I'm not going to do the math for you. You can do it yourself. But they are under $10. Some of the items that are in this MRE I had around the house, but they were items that didn't cost any money, like we're talking mayonnaise packets, stuff like that. So stick around, and this is going to be pretty cool, guys. All right, guys, here we go. Now, we're going to put together 4 MREs. Now, these aren't 5-year MREs. These are, hey, I'm going on a hiking trip this week, or I'm going on a camping trip, or I'm going fishing tomorrow, and I just want something to snack on while I'm there. These are, a few months, few weeks, stuff like that. For the most part, most of this stuff has got about a 1-year shelf life. So you should be pretty good for about a year, except for your wraps. Now, if you vacuum seal them, of course, you'll get more time. But I'm not vacuum sealing these because you're going to see these again next week. Guarantee it. Me and the Thirsty Camel is going to break into one of these a piece and check them out. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to need is our storage bag. 1 gallon Ziploc freezer bag. All right. The first one we're going to make up will be a chicken salad. I think we'll go with a buttery buffalo chicken salad. Chicken, premium white chicken. This is just chicken chunks. Might have a little bit of water in it. You need to drain that out. And then we're also going to throw in some Kinder's wing sauce, buttery buffalo, to give it a little kick like a buffalo style chicken salad. Boom. 2 soft street tacos. Now, if you'll notice in the last video that we did for the 5-minute chef 5-minute meal wraps, chicken and tuna, that packet in there was 4.5 ounces. Now these are only 2.5 ounce packets, so the street tacos should be perfect. We'll see. So we got 2 of those in there with our chicken and our sauce. Okay, we're gonna do some drink mixes real quick. I got strawberry lemonade and I got lemon tea. Throw that in there. Okay, we got a cashew almond cherry peanut bar. We're going to throw one of those in there. Why not? Okay, we're also going to throw in some Captain Wafers crackers, sour cream and chives. Those are always a good one. Don't forget our cutlery packet. And a moist towelette. Last but not least, like I promised the Thirsty Camel, I got candy. 2 butterscotches. Boom. There you go, guys. That simple, that quick. A nice, quick lunch or snack on the go. Boom. That's 1. We got 3 more to go. 3 more. All right. We're going to stay with chicken for now. We're going to do another chicken salad. Let's go ahead and put our street tacos in. Go ahead and put our premium white chicken. And to kick this up a notch, we're going to go with Kinder's Hickory Brown Sugar Barbecue Sauce. Who don't like barbecue chicken, guys? Come on! Our drink mixes. Boom. Our granola. Boom. This one is going to have some lemon cream cookies. Mix it up a little bit. Our cutlery. Our moist toilet. And our candy. Boom. We're done, guys. Look at that. It ain't been 5 minutes. We already got 2 meals packed. This is so easy, guys. So cheap and affordable. Like I said, I'm going to make 4 of these, and it's going to be under 10 bucks. Or you can go buy the one for 10 bucks and get 2 little wraps. Now, they were decent good. They were decent flavored. I did not like the tuna. We had some stomach issues afterwards, but for the most part. All right. Street tacos. Cracked pepper and sea salt tuna. Yes, we're doing tuna. Let's throw in with that some mayonnaise and mustard. Why not? Our drink mixes. Our granola. Captain Wafers. Cream cheese and chive again. Our cutlery. Our moist towelette. And our candy. Boom. Look at that. 3 of them already. And let me tell you something. I guarantee this one right here is better than that one we had yesterday. Guarantee it. And last but not least, we got one more. This one I'm interested in. I'm pretty interested in this one. I call dibs, Thirsty Camel. I call dibs on this one next weekend. Go ahead and put our street tacos in. Okay. Mediterranean Urban Spice Tuna. I'm very excited about this one. Mayonnaise and mustard. Strawberry lemonade. Lemon tea. Granola. Lemon cream cookies. Our cutlery. Our moist towelette. And our candy. Look at that, guys. We got 4 meals. We got 4 delicious meals right here for under $10. The tuna and the chicken. Excuse me. The chicken packets were $1.50. The tuna, $1.16. Okay? The street tacos, I got a whole pack for $2.30. I mean, $2. The drink mixes right here, $1.50, and there's 10 of them in here. And the strawberry lemonade I have here at the house. The lemon cookers and the Captain Wafer crackers, had them here at the house. Now, the barbecue sauce, the Kinder's barbecue sauce, was $1 a piece. $1. The cutlery, the moist towelettes, the mayonnaise packets, the mustard, had all of that stuff here at the house. Now, check this out, guys. Save yourself some money on making these by going to your fast food restaurants, places like that. You can get mayonnaise. You can get ketchup. You can get mustard packets. You can get vinegar. You can get oil. You can get soy sauce. You can get all that stuff, barbecue sauce packets. All of that stuff to make these for less money. I mean, I could easily go in there. I got some Sonny's barbecue sauce packets and put in here and save myself $1 on these chicken ones. But, I mean, it's $1, guys. These right here, under $10, more stuff in it. Now, yes, okay, you might want to support local business and stuff like that. Chef 5 Minute Meals, they have some great products. They have a great mission as well. They make emergency food rations for disaster relief. So that's a good reason to support their company. But I can't pay $10 for 2 wraps that well, really aren't worth it. Not when I can do this right here, guys. Do me a favor real quick. Go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that notification button so you're aware next time one of these great entertaining videos pop up. Check us out on Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. And look forward to next Thursday when me and the Thirsty Camel try these bad boys out. Taste Test Thursday, I think is what we called it. I think that's pretty dang catchy. So look forward to that one, guys. And got a couple more videos planned for the weekend. And I think you'll get a kick out of them. So be safe. God bless. Let's get outside, people.